Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my previous videos on Euro USD, then you know it very well that I was not very much positive with the chart of Euro USD, and I have been telling to avoid Euro USD because there was not much movement on the chart of Euro USD. And right now you can see that things have not changed much. If you look at the overall trend of the market, then it is very much clear to us that the trend of the market has remained the same. It is a downtrend market. Nothing has changed. Pure downtrend market with a trend line acting as a dynamic resistance. On the other hand, we had 1.1666 as the resistance for the market. Then we had 1.1600 as the second resistance for the market. So we have got three resistances on the chart of Euro USD right now. And do we have any support? No, we do not have any support on Euro USD. So in a market condition like this, okay, try to understand logically. Okay, so in a market condition like this, do you think that we should go for buy? Because as we all know, the thumbnail of the market is follow the trend. If a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And you can clearly see that Euro USD is in downtrend, so there is no logic of thinking that we should go for a buy here. Until and unless there is a trend reversal on Euro USD, you should only look for selling opportunities. And how to get the how you'll understand that we have a trend reversal? The trend reversal will always be in the form of a V. Yes, until and unless you get a V formation on Euro USD, you will only be looking for selling opportunities. That will be the safe option. If you are a beginner, if you're new to trading, if you do not have if you do not want to lose in the market, then listen to me, follow the trend and only look for selling opportunities. Clear? Okay, so where should we go for sell? The first trading opportunity is the level of 1.1600. As market has been trading below this level for quite some time, therefore there is a good possibility that 1.1600 will be acting as a strong resistance. So in case market goes up from here, yes, in case market goes up from here, there is a possibility of market facing selling at this level, and if market reverses from 1.1600, you can go for a sell order. That is your first trading opportunity, shorting the market at the resistance 1.1600. On the other hand, if market crosses also 1.1600 level, then we have got second resistance in the form of this trend line. So if market goes up from here, then obviously the trend line will be the next important resistance for the market, and if market reverses from the trend line, you can short the market. So that is your second trading opportunity. And the third trading opportunity is obviously 1.16 So if there is a sudden buying on the market, and you can go for sell at this level, but I do not think so that on market you will be seeing such heavy buying. Okay, but so let's hope that in case there is a small buying, little bit of buying on Euro USD, we will get good opportunity to short the market. And on the other hand, okay, and on the other hand, if there is a fresh selling, yes, fresh selling on Euro USD, then you can short Euro USD below 1.1528. Yes, below this level you can short the market in case there is a fresh selling on Euro USD. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You will find it on my website avilashhazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 74% retail traders have taken long position, and only 25% retail traders have taken short position. So this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money, because they fail to follow the trend of the market. You can clearly see on the chart that Euro USD is in downtrend, but still if you're taking a long position, then obviously, my dear friend, you will not make money. So always follow the trend, and it means that short the market at the resistance only. Okay. And last month I have launched the Pro Trader membership program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you want to find out what is the Pro Trader program and what are the benefits of the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you will find all the information. So short the market at the resistance. In case it goes up, you'll get second opportunity to short the market at the trend line. Okay. And in case there is a fresh selling on the market, you will get to short the market below 1.1528 level. Clear? And if possible, keep an eye on the chart of DXY, because as we all know, US dollar has got huge impact on the forex market. If you look at the chart of DXY US dollar, you can see that market is an uptrend, and as we all know, when dollar goes up, US dollar goes up, Euro USD goes down. When US dollar goes down, Euro USD goes up. So you can see that just the opposite of Euro USD chart, US dollar is in very much strong uptrend. Though there was NFP report yesterday, but still it managed to stay above the trend line. Surprised. And right now it is standing at a weekly resistance level. So, and if you go to the weekly chart here, then you can see that it is just standing at a weekly resistance with a doji formation. And as we all know, doji signifies indecision in the market. There's a battle between the buyers and the sellers. So next week will be very important for US dollar. There's a possibility of market breaking the resistance and going up, and if it goes up, Euro USD will be going down. And in case US dollar reverses from this level, then there will be buying on Euro USD. So whatever it is, keep your eyes on US dollar, the chart of DXY, so that you can analyze the market better, so that you can understand what is going on in the market. That is all. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.